So yeah, till now, what are the topics that we discussed yesterday? Payroll legislations, right? So now and legal jurisdictions and up to here we discussed these topics. Okay, now our topic is manage banks and payment methods. Okay, today I'm trying to cover payment method and banks, creation of banks. Okay, so now you understood why we are creating the banks and all. Okay, and you know why we supposed to have what I can say payment methods. The initial section I told you total story, what all are the things are required in order to do the payment for an employee, right? So organize the payment methods are required. Payment method in the sense from which account that we are doing payment. Basically, in the basic initial class, initial knowledge purpose, I told you from which account that we are paying to which account that we are paying. Okay. From which account in the sense, organization payment method, from which account to which account in the sense, personal payment method. So from this account, suppose example, it is Tata, Bangalore, TCS to one employee. This is employee. Okay. Like that. So organization payment, in order to create organization payment method, we need banks. We need banks. Okay. We need banks. So suppose example, let me go to the application. Okay. Let me go to the application. Click on setup and maintenance. Now click over here. Manage banks. Click on manage banks. See, here we are creating the banks. Just to click on create bank. Just attach it to the any country. Maybe it's a case sensitive. Okay, bank name I'm giving. American Bank. Alternative bank name. See, these all are not required. If these numbers will be provided by the end user only. Bank code, we will maintain the bank code in order to this code, whenever I'm saying code, it is for the reporting purpose. If anything is changing, names, suppose example, bank name will be changed if any other bank is purchased by purchasing this bank. So in such scenario, we will use bank code. Okay. For the reporting purpose. Okay. Now, just I'm using. Okay. American Bank for US. Taxpayer ID. It's like PAN card number. Okay. That's it. Now, where this bank is where this bank is, what I can say, a registration address. Okay. Hope you are following. I'm not confusing you. No need county. It's not a mandatory column, right? Let me check. No need here. Leave this one. Okay. Address one. Choose a city. Okay. Now come to the contacts. Over here, the contacts, see, once you observing over here, just click on cancel over here. Once you observe, these two things only required. These two things only required in the sense what, sir? By using these two, that's more than enough to go for further configurations related to the payroll. Okay. Now, this one is not mandatory. Okay. Why? Because we are attaching it to the, okay, we are attaching it to the legal entity. Whatever the legal address is mentioned in the legal, whatever the address is mentioned at the legal entity, those address is considered for the, what I can say, LRU and TRU, those kind of things. Okay. Now, contacts sense, why we need to attach over here, sir, contact. See, as you know, you will get the calls from the bank, right? I am the contact person for you. In that way, you will get the contacts, right? For this account, who is the contact person in order to call from the bank side? Bank side, who is the contact person? Suppose example, I'm a core HR side. Okay, I'm a HRIS team, or else I'm a, what I can say, uh, I'm a VP, vice president in the organization. I want to communicate with this bank person. So I will ask the developer who is the contact person for this bank. Over here, for that purpose, we will maintain it over here. Does it affects any functionality, sir, in our over here? No, it does not affect any functionality. Okay, write down over here something like John. Okay, uh, what I can say. Okay, nothing required. Phone numbers I am giving over here. Purpose, I'm giving any emergency. Phone number. Okay, that's it. Do you want to maintain the address of this person? Do you want to maintain the email of this person? Purpose, emergency I'm keeping. Just click on OK. Save. Save and close. Okay. Once you've done, it is completed. And one more thing. If you want to create, what is the name of our bank that we are created?
American Bank.
This one only, right? Okay. So once you created the bank, what are the things that you have to create? Once you created the bank, you have to create a branch. See, I have a bank. See, I created a bank. Bank in the sense, suppose example, it is SBI. SBI has so many branches, right, in India. Which branch that you want to maintain these activities? In which branch that you are maintaining these activities? For that one, you can create branches over here itself that you can create branch, or else you can click on done. Okay, manage bank branches. You can go from here also. Okay, now you can create from here also on same page that you will land up over here. Search this bank only that we have created, right? Click on OK. See, automatically United States is come. Branch name, LOS I'm creeping. Okay, register number, company will provide. Okay, and branch type, not required. This is also bank type, shift. Okay, keep it as a shift, sir. These all are the options. Bank will provide, company will provide it to you. These numbers also company will provide. And one more point I'm telling you over here, whatever the topics that we have discussed yesterday and today, these all are the topics maintained by not only by the HCM people. These topics are maintained from the finance system also. They also uses these pages, whatever the pages that we discussed yesterday. Okay, one second. Okay. So yeah, everything will be provided by them only. If you want to keep, what is the contact number for this branch? Okay, for this branch, you can keep, sir. I don't want to keep. If you want to explore, you can explore. Same thing will be there. Valid routing number. See, he's asking valid routing number. See, why it is not allowing this number, sir? Why? Because every branch has its, okay, own. Okay, routing number. Try to get any routing number. Take this routing. Take this routing number. See, now it is allowing. Why it is allowing now, sir? Why? Because routing number, there is a format, it seems. Okay. Routing number should be in this many numbers only. Clear? So when you are creating this one, this information will be provided from the business only. You have to capture it over here. That's it. Okay. Now coming to, just click on, once you clicked on save, then save and close. You saved and closed, right? Now coming to, once you created a branch, you have to create a account for that one. See, what we are creating, sir? We are creating a bank. For that bank, we are creating a, for that bank, what we are doing? We are creating a branch. For that branch that we are creating an account. That account we are using to do the payments from the company perspective. Okay, I will explain over here. So this is American Bank. Okay, and see, account name of the account, 99%. Okay, this is very, keep it mindful, sir. Be mindful while I'm explaining this one. This one we should, company name, account name, 90% we will use legal entity name only. Okay, so suppose example, for which legal entity that you want to assign it. Come here. Test LE something it is coming, right? Okay. Now come here, Okay. For this purpose, I am trying to create one legal entity. For US, I am trying to create one legal entity, same legal entity, I want to add it over there. Okay. Just to come here. Okay. Come here. Search. Okay. Create one legal entity under US. US, which one it is, sir? But US, what should it be? Test. Okay. Identifier, I'm keeping anything. Why I'm creating this legal entity? In order to add it over here, right? I will show you one thing. And in order to add it, legal entity name over here, I'm creating one legal entity. Okay. Start date I'm giving 1/1 by 1951. End date I'm not giving. It's a payroll stature unit and keep it as a legal employer also. Legal address, you can keep anything. Okay. Place of registration, Los Angeles. Okay. This is a name that we are created. Just click on save. Save and close. Okay. See, when we are creating that legal entity, it should supposed to come over here, right? That's the expectation, right? But is it coming over here, sir? Even after refresh? No, right? Okay. For that one, we have another option. Just click on done. We have another thing. Okay. Let's see. We have another option. Assign legal entity. What does it mean, sir? Why it is not coming over here, sir? See, this is a real-time scenario, sir. You can explain it in the interview also. Prior to assigning any legal entity, to the any bank account. So every legal entity should have one bank account in order to do the, which one's a organization payment method. Are you understanding what I'm trying to explain? Hello, Srinu, Akil, Jagadish,
Hi.
Mahesh,
Yeah.
Taushik. In order to do the organization payment method, we need to assign account to the legal entity. Okay. See, but prior to assigning that one, but over here I'm not getting that legal entity. Prior to assigning that one, you should assign general ledger to that legal entity. Okay. General ledger to that legal entity. Just click on over here. Click over here. Select and add. US, anything is created for the USA legislation. Okay. This one, see, observe over here, don't get confused. This is called as chart of accounts. Where this one is created, sir? Under the chart of accounts, they will create a primary ledger for this country. Primary ledger for this country. See, I'm created one legal entity. I'm created one legal entity under this USA, that legal entity should be assigned to the primary ledger, which is created under the same country by using chart of account. Who will create this one? This one will be created by finance team. If finance team is not there, if finance team is not there, you are supposed to come here, create chart of accounts. Okay, but you should, but 90% it will be not 90%, 200% it should be created by finance team. Just save and close. Click on save and close. Choose that US related one. Okay. Come here. If you observe over here, whatever we are created, it is not there. Just come here. Click on add. Okay. US test new. Click on apply and click on done. It is added, right? Where it is? Yeah, it is added. Okay. Just click on save. Something it is warning, it will come. Some you can neglect that one. Save and close. Okay. Now come here. Just to refresh. Click on over here. See, now it is coming or not coming? Earlier, is it came earlier? No, right? Now it is coming, right? Okay. Just click on, just to choose that one and come here. Account name I'm giving. Legal entity, 90% I told you, no, legal entity name only we will give. Okay. Account number, you will get it from the bank. Okay. Currency for US dollar. Account type, savings or checking only for savings or else something else, then you can keep it as others. Why? Because it is not the savings, right? It's not a savings one, right? What are the account types that we have, sir? Hello? Why there is no reply, yaar?
Current and saving.
Huh?
In general, we have current account and saving account.
Correct. So do we have the option like current account?
No, there is no.
Not there, right? So that's the reason I kept it as others only. Okay. Now you observe over here, sir. There are three options that I am getting. That is payable, payroll, and receivable. One second. Okay. So now you observe over here, sir. Over here, you are getting options like payable, receivable, as well as what, sir? Payroll. What does it means? It is asking us, okay, it is asking us, Raghu, do you want to take it for the, do you want to take it for the what? Okay. So do you want to take it for the, do you want to take it for the payroll purpose or else payable or receivable? Payroll, if you want to use it for only for the payroll, you can come and choose this payroll. If this bank account is already created by the whom? Finance team. If it is not created, create this one and choose it as a payroll. If it is already there using by the finance team, they won't checkbox this one. They will only checkbox payable and receivable. They want to capture how much amount is paid, how much amount is not paid. That's it, sir. They want to use it for the general ledger purpose. Debit and credit, those information they want to create. Okay. So in order to use it for the payroll purpose, in order to use this one in the organization payment method, use this one. Okay. Just now come down over here. See, you can observe it over here, sir. Over there, the options that you are getting over here. See, What are the options that you are getting over here, sir? General, control, security, and business unit. See, business unit access. This is purely related to finance, sir. We are not even going to give anything over here. Okay. Users and access, roles and users and roles, something related to security purpose. Okay. So we won't do anything over here for the payroll perspective. Just to save, it is saved. Save and close. Okay. You just click on this one and done. Hope you understood. What we have created, so till now, we created accounts. You can see the accounts available for this bank. Okay. This is for this bank, this is an account that is available. Clear? Now click on done. Click on done over here. Come to the home page. Now, the next thing is organization payment. Okay. Click on setup and maintenance. Come here. Okay. Hmm. Organization payment method. Okay. Organization payment method. Just click on this one. Just click on this one. Organization payment methods. In organization payment methods, what we have to do, we have to attach whatever the accounts that we are created. So hope you are following the steps. We have created the accounts, we have created the bank, then after branch, then after accounts. That account we are attaching at the which level? This level. Okay, the organization payment method level. Come here, click on place. For which legislation that it will LDG, it will ask. Okay, I'm taking seeded one only. 1/1/19. 51. Okay, come here, give the name. Okay, and name over here. Payment method I'm choosing. Sir. What are the payment methods that are available in under US legislation? See, these payment methods, suppose example, check in the sense, direct deposit, international transfer, check, and cash is also there. Under US, actually we have payment types, 4 payment types that we have. Check, cash, direct payment, internal transfer, and another thing is FD is also there. Okay, so these all are the things changed based upon the legislative data group. We will discuss this check and direct deposit check, in the sense we are providing the check to the employee, personal payment method that we are directly giving the check, or else direct deposit in the sense we are directly depositing without using any personal payment method. International transfer in the sense to the other one country to other country transfers that we are using. I will explain in the payroll definition which one supposed to choose over there. Okay. In order to do the organization payment method, we have another option that we supposed to choose default payment method. Okay. That we are supposed to choose. I will explain it over there. Okay. That one is very important. Choosing that one is very important. Okay. Now I am creating check.
నేను అటు పచ్చడి తినగలిగితే తిను లేస్తుంది నువ్వు వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నువ్వు
Trigger, can you mute yourself? Okay. Shiva, hope you are understanding.
Yes, sure. I can understand what.
Okay. Now, the prefix, okay. It is asking don't use prefix as US. Okay. Try to read the error, sir. Earlier I got an error. Why we are using US prefix? It is telling that don't use US as a prefix for the name. Why? Because it's maybe that prefix is used in some other places. See, when I choose, now you have to choose the, okay, this is the organization payment method and payment type and currency I mentioned, and this one I attach it to the legislative data group. That's okay. From which payment source that you want to keep it over there. So whatever the bank that we created, you have to attach it over here. This is a bank rate that we are created. Such, why it is not coming? Hmm. Maybe address under something not given perfectly. Okay, choose whatever is already existing. See, now whenever you are choosing the bank, it will come bank name and branch name. Okay, whatever we are created, it is not coming. Why? Because it may be, just need to check that one, sir. It may be related. Let me check. Okay, done. View branches. These are the branches. View account. It is activate only. USD. Everything is clear now. Why it is not coming? Maybe need to log out and log in, something we are supposed to do. Bank name, every view accounts is there. Click on done. Click on done. Okay, it's supposed to come over here, sir. Not an issue. Just try to log out and log in. It will for sure come. Okay. Now just to come down, bank name, payment information, bank reference I can keep. Exactly 9 characters it is here saying. Mhm. Okay. Company reference. Okay. Just click on continue. The prefix US, where I used, again it is asking over here. Okay. Just click on continue. See, the bank name it will be attached over here, whatever we created. Now, over here, payment source will come down over here. This one become as a default. Over here it is asking third party payment something and all. We can discuss later. Just to click on submit. Okay. Now search for the US legislation. Okay, this is the one we are created, right? This is check purpose, correct? Now create another options also over here. Okay, I'm just creating for the other options also. 1951, continue. See, once you observe over here, sir, you will create for each country. If you observe over here, whenever you are implementing a payment, okay, whenever you are implementing a payroll, okay, for that payroll, if you are implementing organization payment method, for sure you have to create 3 payment methods: check, direct deposit, and international transfer. You have to create. So you have to create for the same thing another one also. Check in the sense, next one is direct deposit. Okay, in this way that you can create. Everything is same, sir. Okay, hope you can able to do. Hello. You can able to do or not able to do? You can speak out, sir.
We will do.
Okay, just choosing another option like check. Okay, what you have to do in this is try to create a bank and branch and account. Try to log out and log in. For sure that bank will come down over here. Okay, if you are choosing under the same legal entity. Hope I am created that one under the same legal entity. Then for sure it will come. Okay, now then after create these type of payment types. 3 payment types you supposed to create. Clear? Now coming to next topic, that is third parties. Okay, now next topic is third parties. Any doubts? Shiva, Akhil, Mukesh, Tarun, Jigan, Srinu.
No,
Oh,
no,
no.
sir.
Here, we have created from organization side, right? So if you want create from employee side, so
That I will explain lastly.
okay.
First, we are discussing only organizations. Anything, Shiva? Hello? Can you hear?
Hello, my voice.
Can you hear me, Shiva?
Yeah, yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah. Is it clear?
Yeah, yes, sir. This is clear. Whatever you are telling.
Okay. Srinu, Mahesh. Okay. Just, yeah. Now, once you done with this organization payment method, now there is a thing called third parties.
Sir, the screen is not visible, sir.
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. Now, next topic is related to third parties. What is mean by third parties, actually? What is mean by third parties? Third parties in the sense, okay, from which account that you are paying organization payment method, to which account that you are paying personal payment method. Okay, see, from, and I missed one point, sir, that is very, 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 very important point. Sorry. Whenever we are creating banks, whenever we are creating one bank, there is a, when we are creating bank accounts, okay, see, these all are the bank accounts, right? Okay, these all are the bank accounts, right? You can create one bank account. you can create one bank account and you can attach that bank account to only for one legal entity only. See, this is a legal entity that we are created, right? This is a bank account, right? This bank account, you can attach it to only one legal entity. Only one legal entity. You can attach it to only one legal entity, sir. Okay. That is very, 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 very important. From one account, we cannot attach it to multiple legal entities. That is first point. Real-time question, sir. Can we attach multiple accounts to the can I attach same account to the multiple legal entities? No. Each legal entity that we supposed to attach different bank accounts. And one more point is, whatever the legal entities that we are created, it should be part of general ledger from the chart of accounts. This is also one of the part. 2 parts. Okay. Now,
Yeah, can we attach multiple accounts then?
no, we cannot attach multiple accounts to one legal entity. Okay. It will try to do whether it is allowing it to you or not, but it is not at all the right scenario and not at all the good practice. But I know for sure, same account we cannot attach it to multiple legal entity. For sure. System won't allow you. And one more point, over here, whenever you are performing all these scenarios, you have to be very mindful. Once you created this one, you have to showcase these things to your end user, whatever you have created. If end user is coming, once after we are implemented total payroll, you cannot change anything, sir, over there. It is very difficult to change bank accounts and everything under. I'm not saying you cannot, you can, but these all are the ground stage of what I can the steps, right? It will affect a lot and a lot. Okay, further steps. Now, coming to next topic is third parties. Prior to that one, today I will explain what is meant by third party. From which account that you are paying is first party, to which account that you are paying is second party. So this is organization. This one is employee. What is third party, sir? Suppose example, one employee is there, employee 1 is there, and employee 2 is there. This employee, sorry, not employee 2. This employee 1 is there, he got married to someone like anyone, Lucy something, someone. Okay. He got married, then after he got divorced from her. Okay. Then court is ordered to our organization. Like every month you are paying to your employee how much? Suppose example, 1 lakh. Okay, if you are paying 1 lakh, then you have to pay 20% from this amount, 20% from this account. Whatever you are paying to him, you have to pay over to him only 80K to him and 20K.
Or his wife.
Okay, 20K to this Lucy. Government is ordered. What you will call alumni amount or else? What is? Alumni, right?
Alimony.
Uh,
Alimony.
alimony, something word, yeah. Okay, so if the court is ordered in that one, in that scenario, there is no relation with our employee and this Lucy, sir. We are only doing this one. We are only, from the organization perspective itself, we are doing these things. From whatever we are paying to this employee, from that employee account, from that employee, we are not transferring total amount. We are splitting that amount, 20% of amount we are paying to this employee. This is called as third parties. To do these all are the third parties. Okay. You understood, right? Who is third party? This one is third party. To do this third party payments, you should create third party payments, right? That is called as third party payments. Payment method. Okay. So this is first party, this is second party. This is third party. Okay. This is first party. Okay. This is first part. This is second party. This is third part. Okay. This is third party. For first party purpose, we have organization payment method. Second party purpose, we have personal payment method. For third party purpose, we have third party payment method. Hope you understood this topic. Theoretically understood.
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to Raghu, does it only related to the employees only? Employee will contribute his amount to the only one person. This is the only scenario? Not, sir. Not only this scenario. If there is a mandatory contributions in your organization, suppose example, you are joined one organization. Okay. Honeywell. Suppose example, you joined in this organization. In this organization, there is a mandatory contribution from your salary. Okay. Before getting your salary, there is a deduction. If there is a before you are getting a salary, if organization is cutting some amount, that is deduction, sir. If government is cutting some amount, that is income tax. If there is a mandatory payments, that is third parties. Hope you understood. Suppose example, you are working in this organization, you taken some loan amount, you taken some house loan amount advance from your organization. Every month, this one will be deducted, right? Suppose example, you took 60K. Now what happens? Every month 10K will be deducted. Correct? This one is called as prior to your salary. This one happens prior to your salary. These two things happens. Okay, these two things happens prior to your salary. Got it? Loan advance, if you this is the one example for the deduction. Now, income tax, prior to your salary itself, your monthly salary itself, that income tax deduction will be happens. Now, coming to third parties, what is the third party, sir? You are getting based upon the amount after these deductions and income tax. After these deductions and income tax, what is the amount that you are getting? Within that one, okay, within that one, you are paying to the any person or else any organization. What does it mean, sir? Person, you understood. This is the best example for the person. Okay. This is the best example for the this is the best example. This is one of the example for the person that you understood. What is meant by this organization? See, if your company is making mandatory contribution, every employee who is joining in my company, they should do the mandatory contribution to this organization, any organization, like charity. One charity is there. Suppose example, any charity is there. That Honeywell is telling that who all are working in my organization, everyone should pay. Everyone should pay. Suppose 10,000 every month to this charity. Then this payment third party is called as, this is also one of the third party. This third party type is person third party. This third party type is organization. Hope you understood this thing.
Raghu, third party payroll also will come under this one?
Third party payrolls also we will do, no?
No, will this comes under this one also, right?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. No? If you are doing these things for the one person, that is person third party. If you are doing for one organization, it is called as organization. What I can say, third party payment. And scenarios I explained it, why we supposed to do for the Lucy, why we supposed to do for the any organization charity. Got it? Any doubt? Hope you understood this topic. Any doubts here? No, right?
Nothing my camera.
Super. So we cannot cover remaining topics related to third parties and organization method. Okay. Try to, what I can say, do whatever I completed over here. For you, it will, the bank will come in the organization payment method. For me, maybe it is, I used US as a prefix. That's the reason it is didn't came in the bank accounts. You try to create a bank account without using US or something and all as a prefix. For sure, you will get that one. If not getting, for you it is, if it is not getting for you, you can reach out to me. I will help you out. Got it?